My name is Philip Polo from Nairobi, Kenya. I'm just so excited to be here for this Little Conference in Africa, bringing all the African countries together. So that is my first excitement. During the conference, I think I've got to learn a lot. One of the facilitators mentioned that the richest place in the world being the grave, because there are people who die with their ideas that don't impact the world. And I think that touched my heart. And I wouldn't want to die with the resources that God has given me without impacting hope into the world. So during the conferences, I have had the desire to write the books, and I didn't know where to begin from. But at least from the conferences and the workshops, at least I've got the charge, and I was able to figure out where to begin from. And I've also got to meet a few people here that we've agreed will be holding me accountable with timelines. So I'm looking forward to see to see to it that that book comes out by a given period of time. All in all, Little 2023 has been very helpful to me. When I get out of this place, I think I'm going to use the knowledge and the skills that are acquired here to uplift others and to inspire others who are not able to come this time. Thank you.